And welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, the women's 100 meters will be one of the most watched events at this year's national trials, and expectations surrounding this season's event couldn't be higher, with many expecting a change. Many expecting a changing of the guard as young faces continue to break through. Is it time for a new set of athletes to represent Jamaica on the world stage, or does the old guard still have something to say? More in this report.
The Clayton twins have produced sub-11 clockings this season, and many are expecting them to become the first twins to represent Jamaica together at the senior level at a global national championship for Jamaica. But just how ready are they? Tia Clayton has the fastest time by a Jamaican this year, running 10.92 seconds, beating Shelly and Fraser Price and her sister at the Doha Diamond League in May. However, Tina turned the tables in June, beating Tia at the Racers Grand Prix in 10.98 seconds at the National Stadium. It will not be smooth sailing for the youngsters, as Fraser Price ran 10.94 at the Velocity Fest meet, but according to track and field analyst Dwayne Extall, the kids possess the requisite quality to compete.
Sharika Jackson, Shelly and Fraser Price, and Elaine Thompson era, they've occupied that space for such a long time. But these youngsters now, they believe that they put in the work, they've done the training, and their talents are now proving to the world that they are good enough. Because think about a couple of years ago, Tina were a part of big 4x1s at the World Under 20 Games, and Alana Reid, a World Under 20 champion, Brianna Williams, World Under 20 champion. So it's the pedigree of the youngsters. It's not like it's any walkover. So they are pedigree youngsters that are coming through the ranks, and I think it's a matter of time. Maybe it's this year, maybe it's not, but I think it's just a matter of time before the old guards hand over to the youngsters.
Extall says with the breakthrough of the twins, along with the presence of more experienced campaigners such as Sharika Jackson, it will be a highly anticipated event at the championship.
I think they'll do well. I think Brianna Williams, who's running well so far this season, she'll come back and do well in the national championship, but Sharika Jackson is still there. Shelly and Fraser Price will be present, and I think that makes for an exciting watch at the national championship. I mentioned Alana Reid, she will be in the mix as well. So it's a mixture of the youthfulness and talent with the experience of those who have done it before, and I think it's going to make for a fantastic show.
But who will secure the 3 spots to the World Championships?
It's up for grabs who will get those 3 spots, but I think the Clayton twins are up there, so too Sharika Jackson, Shelly and Fraser Price, and Brianna Williams.
Live coverage of the National Senior and Junior Championships will be aired on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, OneSpotMedia.com, and Hits 92 FM from June 26 to 29. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sports.